Okay, so we're gonna do number 7, and we're gonna do one more where we have to do that first step where we have to solve and get one of their variables by itself. So I have x plus y equals 3 and 3y plus x equals 5, and I'm trying to solve these equations by substitution. So if you notice, I kind of have a lot of options. I have x by x that doesn't have a number in front of it. I have a y that doesn't have a number in front of it, and I have an x here that doesn't have a number in front of it. So you can pick any of them to solve for. It's up to you. I just did this equation and solved for x, but it really doesn't matter which one you pick. I would just pick one of the variables that doesn't have a number written in front of it. So if I solve for x, I have to get x by itself. To do that, I have to move the y, which means I'm going to subtract the y. And x is equal to 3 minus y. Okay, so that was the first equation. Then I have the second equation. I have to substitute it into the second equation. So I have 3y plus, and I'm going to replace this x with what it's equal to, which is 3 minus y. So instead of x, I'm going to have 3 minus y equals 5. And if you want to put parentheses, you can, but we don't need them, because I'm just going to take them off this step, because I'm just adding and I'm not multiplying by anything. Then I combine like terms. So I have 3y and y. 3y minus y is 2y plus 3 equals 5. Subtract 3, so 2y equals 2. Divide by 2, and y equals 1. Okay, so that is my y value. I'm going to use the equation that I have already, that x is by itself, so x equals 3 minus y, and substitute that in. So 3 minus y is 1, and x equals 2. And my solution is 2, 1. So x, y. And then again, we can always check it. So if I'm checking it, I'm going to plug it into both of the original, x plus y equals 3, and 3y plus x equals 5. So x is 2, y is 1, 2 plus 1 equals 3, so we're good. 3 times 1 plus x is 2, so 3 plus 2 equals 5. So those are all the ones we're going to do. You can try 8, 9, and 10 if you want, and we're going to practice with those and some others in class.